Bebage kaini jibrui Shanmung no tuye finance 16 February Salmario Industrial Transport Strike Day Bharat Bandh Sakhlaimung Rikha Hashtag Kishan Morcha te United Kishan Morchani Ojamarok
Bharat Bandh সফল করুন 16 ফেব্রুয়ারি 11 দফা দাবিতে দেশব্যাপী শিল্প পরিবহন ও গ্রাম ভারত বন্ধ সফল করুন দফা দাবিতে দেশব্যাপী শিল্প পরিবহন ও গ্রাম ভারত বন্ধ সফল করুন শিল্প পরিবহন ও গ্রাম ভারত বন্ধ সফল করুন মোদি সরকারের রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত
Karakshalo Raja Koragolini Dalbidal Harkiting Himbo Tokhlai Finance 16 February Salmarini Industrial Transport Strike Day Bharat Bandh Mani Jangna Angthung Hanai Sakhlaimung Rikha Hashtag Kishan Morcha te United Kishan Morchani Ojamarok Ashalo Lahar Himbo Tokhlai Mani Jorao Tongka CIT ni President Manik de Haste United Kishan Morchani Achukphang Pavitra Korte CPM ni Haste Achukphang Jitendra Chaudhary no Khobui Kubon Ojamarok Abuni Aglogok Tuma Thumnai Romni Sungmungo Haste United Kishan Morchani Achukphang Pavitra Kor Shaka
All central trade unions of the country and at the call of Sangyukta Kishan Morcha, which consists of more than 500 Kishan organizations, a call of sectoral industrial strike on 16th February 2024 and SCAM has given the call of Gramin Bharat Bandh throughout the country. As the Modi government, the promises which has been given by the Modi before the Lok Sabha election that Kishans will get C2 plus 50% profit for the cultivated produce, but yet they has not been fulfilled. Workers were given the promises that they will get the work, they will get the more wages, but these promises has not been fulfilled. Youth were given the promises of 2 crore jobs for a year, and in the last 10 years, it is expected that more than 20 crore youth will get the job. But in a question in Parliament, in the year 2022, the central minister told that in our country, in the last 8 years, that is from 2014 to 222, in the last 8 years, 22 crores youth has been applied for job and they have sat in interview. But how much? How many numbers? Job have been distributed? Only 7 lakhs. The remaining 21 crore 93 lakhs youth have yet to get the job. This is the situation of our country and the situation which has been created by the Modi, a chaotic situation in the country. For the sake of the people of this country, the Kishan organizations and trade unions have that very call of 16th February, Gramin Bharat Bandh and industrial strike throughout the country.
Raja Koragolini Shimi Pronomni Kokthum Chini Khorang